In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to OneDrive with Zapier. Quick and easy 2025 guide. To follow along, you'll need a Zapier account plus access to both Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive. Make sure you can sign in to each service and that you have permission to read files in Google Drive and upload to your chosen OneDrive folder. Start by heading to zapier.com and signing in. From your dashboard, click Create and choose Zaps. This opens the editor where we'll build the automation. Think of a zap as a simple recipe, a trigger that starts the workflow, and an action that runs because of it. For the trigger, select Google Drive. Choose the event that matches how you want the zap to start. New file and folder is the most precise because it limits the zap to a specific folder. New file listens across a drive, while new or updated file also fires when a file is modified. Click Continue, connect your Google Drive account, and authorize access. In the setup, choose the correct drive, and, if possible, pick a specific folder so you're not syncing your entire drive by accident. Click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in a sample file so you can see real data. If nothing appears, quickly drop a test file into your selected folder and run the test again. Next, set the action. Search for and select OneDrive, then choose Upload File. Click Continue and connect your Microsoft account, approving the requested permissions. Now map the fields so Zapier knows exactly what to send. For file, select the file object from the Google Drive trigger. For file name, map the file name from Google Drive. This preserves naming. For folder, pick your destination folder in OneDrive. If you want an organized structure, choose a dedicated folder just for these uploads. When everything looks good, click Test Action. Zapier will upload the sample, and you should see a test file appear in your OneDrive folder. If it doesn't show up, refresh OneDrive and double check that the mapped folder is correct. Finally, review your setup and turn on the Zap. Give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later. From now on, whenever your chosen Google Drive trigger conditions are met, Zapier will copy that file to OneDrive automatically. Keep an eye on your Zap runs in the Zapier dashboard, especially at first, to confirm everything behaves as expected. Also remember that plan limits and polling times can affect how quickly new files sync. That's it. You've connected Google Drive to OneDrive using Zapier quickly and reliably.